All my subscribers, try it. Remember to like, share, and leave a comments down below. Okay?
Fill me up, honey.
Fill it up.
Yes, honey.
Wow. Okay?
Fill me up, honey.
Fill it up.
Yes, honey.
Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today I have with me a soursop. I'm gonna make soursop juice. It was a lovely soursop, but it's getting too soft and I have to remove the skin. So as you see, it's still lovely, still lovely. I'm gonna start by taking out the seed, ginger with my soursop, and lemon and lime. And you know soursop is very, very, very good. Very, very good. They say it's kill cancer cells. And it's also good for nerve. For you, if you have nervous problem, it's good for it. Especially the leaf. So I'm going to remove the seed. I can remove the seed this way and I can put it in the blender and stir it. And all the seed come out. Okay? Alright, stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to do it 2 times. Just a little water. I'm not going to put a lot of water because I have my coconut water. My coconut water to put with it. I'm going to stir it for like a second just for the seed to remove. Very good. You see it nice? Oh, yeah. Come. Do you see the seed? Yes. All right. I can just use this and remove the seed. It's a big one, you know, so I have to have it 2 times. Just for start. You see it? Brethren, I remove all my seed from the soursop. All the seed, clean and nice. Here it come. See it? No seed. No seed. I'm gonna put everything in the blender. Blend up everything. I'm not gonna squeeze it with my hand. I'm just gonna put it in my blender and everything will smooth out. I love to use ginger. Yeah, very good. When you have ginger in your juice and you drink it refreshing and nice. Wow. Water with the ginger. Okay. Ginger. Strong. Do this 2 times. Very thick, very, very thick. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add my coconut water. Yeah, coconut water. Oh. Let me look how well this is doing. Oh Lord, look. Very nice. Very nice, okay? I'm going to throw it in this container. And to do the other half. No, nice. All right. No, nice. All right. Here goes the other half. And the other half I'm going to put the rest of my coconut water and my brown sugar. Okay? My coconut water. And also gonna put a cup of sugar. This one is done. Oh Lord. Look. Look. Alright. I'm gonna throw it in this one. And from there to my ginger. You see it? I'm gonna add my soursop juice to my ginger. Here goes it. I'm gonna add my soursop juice to my ginger. It. One lemon and one lime to my juice. It already have sugar. Let's start to taste. I have two. One for me and one for my husband. Camera girl will drink after. Alright, here goes it. Oh my God, it's so thick. Nice. Very nice. Okay, I'm going to have mine. Ozzy,
Yes, honey.
come and drink with me. Okay, here you go.
Oh, thank you.
All right, let me. Cheers.
Cheers, my darling.
Oh,
This tastes delicious.
wow. Very nice.
This need a second glass, one. We can't do this all at
You know-
once. Let's save some.
Back home in Jamaica, my mom used to use her hand and squeeze out the seed and throw away the remain. But I take out the seed and use the remain, and it's very nice. Very, very nice. All my subscriber, try it. Remember to like, share, and leave a comments down below. Okay?
Fill me up, honey.
Wow.
Yes, honey.
Wow.